back to my channel, and today we are going to be doing this plain black muscle tee. It is a size 2X, so I think I'm going to go ahead and make a dress into it. So if you're interested in seeing how I do this, please stay tuned to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into it.
Yeah.
I was a child trying to be a man.
To all my sons worldwide,
All
my juniors,
I
apologize for my absence. I know I left you without a name to drop.
I'm standing right here.
I don't know how I expected you to get your clout up and get your money up, but don't worry, Daddy's home.
And I know I missed so much of your life.
Turn me up. Yeah. Niggas know they need to stop. Now I'm standing at the top, that's how I know you never seen the top. Sierra King parking lot, looking like Magic City parking lot. And the talks when I walk by, like you know it's open when you drop. Hey, drop. Yeah, and I'm coming with the wop. Y'all niggas not popping. Fucking and she going shopping. Well, I'm running out of options. Yeah, I'm running out of options. Put them up for adoption. Sign my name on the dot. This is not luck, baby. This is no four leaf, no horseshoe. I'm in the bank to import you. I'm in New York on John Chester. Supermodels and they all sexy. Lock your door to the bathroom, cause they doing something that is not Pepsi. I'm just pouring up the shots. I remember that I told you I missed you, that was kinda like a mass text. I remember that I told you I loved you, that was really in the past tense. I remember that I told you I get you, truth is that I get around. Bet you having us a kid, 42 hit, I tend to get around. Yeah. On Benedict with the top down. Shorties out here getting knocked down. City coming off a lockdown. Rap niggas doing weak features for a pop artist cause they pop down. Used to wanna throw the rock up. Niggas know how.